Hello friends, today we have come up with the top 10 Malayalam movies of 2019. These are content based movies that are so unique from each other and falls in various categories and genres. We hope that you enjoyed these movies as much as we did, and now let's get on to the list.
Our first movie is Mutan. This is the story of a young boy Mulla who comes from Lakshadweep to Mumbai in search of his elder brother Akbar. In Mumbai, he gets entangled in the web of Kamatipura. The movie has two timelines, one set in Mumbai and the another in Lakshadweep. The movie deals with the various taboos in our society. The exceptional performances of Nivin Pauly and background music are the major highlights of the movie.
Our next movie is Oyare. In this movie, it is Pallavi's dream is to become pilot, which she successfully attains and is also undergoing training. However, her boyfriend Govind is possessive of her, regularly abuses and insults her, and also forces her to drop out from the training. Pallavi eventually breaks up from him, only to be thrown acid by him on her face, which leaves her left eye damaged. Therefore, her pilot license has been revoked. With disfigured face and her dreams being snatched, Pallavi is in a state of despair and hopelessness. However, she does get the chance to fly the plane, that to an emergency landing, which she completely nails it. Find out how did it all happen by watching the movie.
Our next movie is Ishq, which revolves around the life of Sachi and his girlfriend Vasudha. They go for a long drive on Vasudha's birthday where they encounter Alvin and Mukundan. These two people convince Sachi that they are police officers. The first half of the movie showcases the mental torture that the couple is subjected to, and the second half of the movie is about how Sachi manages to take the revenge. Issue of moral policing and the climax are the major highlights of the movie.
Hunda is the black comedy drama based on the real incident which happened during the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. A team of police force has been sent from Kerala to the moist area of Chhattisgarh on election duty with little arms and ammunition. They receive the intelligence that there will be perceived moist attack in the area. Due to some misinformation and communication, they fired the bullets at wrong target and now they're just left with 8 bullets. And watch this amazing entertainer to find out how with just 8 bullets they managed to successfully and peacefully conduct the election despite the booth rigging effort by the local goons and noise threat.
Our next movie is Android Kunjappan version 5.25. This is a sci-fi comedy drama around a stubborn father Bhaskaran, his son Subramanian and a robot named Kunjappan. Bhaskaran wants his son to find a job somewhere close to his home. Because of this, Subramanian has given up many well paying jobs, but frustrated Subramanian finally decides to take up a job in Russia. With the repeated efforts of appointing the home nurse getting failed, Subramanian brings the robot to take care of his father. Bhaskaran, though reluctant initially, slowly allows the robot to enter his life. How Bhaskaran develops the bonding with the robot is the rest of the story. The movie is a complete entertainer with several laugh out loud sequences and a very serious social message.
Our next movie is Virus, which is based on the real incidents of Nipah virus outbreak. This is the movie about how Kerala government, along with its government officials, medical staff, and ordinary people, successfully contained the virus outbreak, which had all the potential to become the nationwide tragedy and claim more lives because this virus didn't have any treatment protocol and vaccination. Yet the government managed to contain the spread within the few districts of the Kerala and finally became the Nipah virus-free state. This movie in a way is the vote to all the people who successfully managed to make this happen.
Our next movie is Jallikattu, which revolves around the buffalo which escapes from the slaughterhouse and runs helter-skelter in a remote hilly village. The entire villageman gathers to hunt down the buffalo. The traps and tricks to find the buffalo forms the rest of the story. The movie unravels the violence, ego, and selfish interest of human beings, which also evaluates the real behavior and exposes the animal instincts of a man. The amazing camera work and the camera movements will transform you entirely into the hilly village. Hats off to the director for this brilliant creation.
Our next movie is Lucifer. When Chief Minister P.K. Ramdas dies, the power struggle sets in. PKR has daughter Priyadarshini, son Jatin and adopted son Stephen. Stephen is in politics for last 6 years and before that what he was doing no one knows. Priya hates Stephen so much that she even orders him from not coming to her dad's funeral, whereas Jatin loves Stephen and vows his allegiance to him. Ultimately, it is Stephen who helps Jatin to become chief minister and also saves Priya from her husband Bobby. So, who is Bobby? Why Priya had to be saved from her husband Bobby? Is Stephen really the adopted son? What Stephen was doing all these years? And finally, who this Stephen really is? All of this is entangled and packed in this political crime thriller, which is also the highest grossing Malayalam movie ever.
Our next movie is Helen, which is a story of a strong girl, Helen Paul. Helen is a nursing student and intends to get a job in Canada to clear her family's debt. She also works part-time at a restaurant. When everything was going well, Helen and her friend Azhar gets caught by the police for drunken driving case and are brought to the police station. Helen's father is also summoned to the police station. This creates the hassles in the father-daughter relationship. Difficult to face her father, Helen stays back at her workplace and accidentally gets locked up in a freezer room. Helen's efforts to stay alive inside the freezer room and her family and friends' effort to find her forms the rest of the story. Will she manage to survive? Watch the movie.
Our last movie is Kumbalangi Nights. This movie is based on the highly dysfunctional family often touted as the worst house in the Panchayat in the small town of Kumbalangi. In this house lives 4 brothers, Saji, Bobby, Bonnie and Frankie, who have so much of animosity between themselves that they can't stand each other. However, when Bobby falls in love with Baby and Saji brings in home woman and child, and subsequent things results in the change in the brothers' attitude, who decides to leave behind their animosity and stand and act together like the family. On the outside, this might seem like a simple story, but this movie is high on emotions, drama and relationships and is rooted in reality, which moves towards truthfulness and perfection. This is the breakthrough movie and is truly a masterpiece. Guys, watch these movies and enjoy. For further more updates, hit the red bell icon and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.